In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress on Ionos step by step. Even if this is your very first time working with a hosting control panel, by the end, you'll have a basic WordPress site up and running and be ready to start customizing it. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Ionos account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, the first place you'll need to go is the Ionos control panel. This is the main dashboard where you can manage your domains, hosting, and websites. If you're not sure you're in the right place, look for options related to your hosting package, domains, and websites all grouped together. That usually means you're in the control panel. From here, you'll start your new project. Look toward the top or side of the screen for a navigation option called Menu. Click on that and then select Websites and Stores. This section is dedicated specifically to anything related to online sites and shops, so it's exactly where you want to be when setting up WordPress. Once you're inside the Websites and Stores area, you'll see any existing sites you might already have, along with options to create something new. To start your WordPress installation, look to the top right corner of the page for a button that says Create New Website or Store. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it immediately, try widening your browser window or scrolling a bit, as buttons in control panels sometimes move slightly depending on your screen size. Clicking this button tells Ionos that you'd like to add a new project to your account. At this stage, Ionos will usually show you a selection of different ways to build a site, such as its own website builder, online store options, or popular content management systems. Now, you're going to choose WordPress as the base for your website. Among the options presented, look for the tile labeled WordPress. It often includes the familiar WordPress logo, a round icon with a W in the center. When you see it, click on the WordPress tile. By choosing this, you're telling Ionos to set up a WordPress installation for you, rather than building a site from scratch with custom code or using a different platform. This is usually the easiest and most flexible way to get a professional looking website online, especially if you plan to use themes and plugins. After you select the WordPress tile, Ionos will guide you through the remaining setup steps specific to WordPress, such as choosing the domain you want to use, setting up your login credentials, and confirming installation settings. These options may look slightly different depending on your hosting plan, but they'll be clearly labeled, and you can usually accept the recommended defaults if you're not sure. Take your time as you go through those on-screen prompts. Read each option carefully and make sure you select the domain you actually want your WordPress site to appear on. Once you confirm everything, Ionos will handle the technical work behind the scenes, like creating the database and connecting everything together. That's all you need to do inside the control panel to start installing WordPress on Ionos. From here, just follow the remaining prompts, wait for the installation to complete, and then log into your new WordPress dashboard to begin designing your site.